Okay, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be a post-1991 camper. The camper is part of the Spartan line, as we're calling it, with the corkscrew. This is still a 3-layer knife, still about 91 millimeters long, right at 1 inch tall, and 5/8 wide. So what makes this a camper is it takes the Spartan tool line and it adds the wood saw to it. So we'll get into it. So as we see, our key ring is on the reamer all layer. That's a post 91 feature. We have our 4-turn solid corkscrew, which is also a post 91 feature. Have our 1961 style of awl with the sharpened edge. We have our post 1985 sewing eye. To our standard opening layer with our can opener, precision screwdriver, no Swiss pat stamp, have our cap lifter and wire bender with the standard hollow ground flat screwdriver, and we do have the post 1985 90-degree stop. We have our wood saw. This style of wood saw has pretty much been around since the 70s without too much change to it, from what I can tell. Do your standard main blade. This one does have a little bit of dirt and stuff on it. Then our tang stamp says Victorinox Swiss made stainless. With the officer Suisse on the back. We have our post 1973 spear point blade. And we retain our normal scale tools for the Spartan line, such as your tweezers. Again, these are the post 1978 plastic tip. And our toothpick. So again, our key ring tells us it's post 1991. Our 4-layer solid corkscrew tells us it's post 1991. So we end up with a post 1991 camper. Now some of the camper models do have camper embossed or printed on the scales, but there were other models that had that feature as well. I have a Ranger, I believe, that has that same feature. So I appreciate your time. Stay tuned. Be nice to one another.